So guys, there you have it. Three reconditioned garden chairs. Started off plastic and the plastic went to shit. Cracked, dried, went rubbery in the heat and cracked and dried in the Serbian winter. Got them from Brico. Took me a few weeks because I was just doing it one day every 2 weeks. But here you go. They actually look really well. They came out well. Reconditioned garden chairs made from pallet wood and a bit of varnish. God bless. See you all soon.